Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is nouns for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This means Bob is very busy. Ton. Bob has a ton of work to do. It means very much or very many. A small hospital is also called a clinic. A small hospital is also called a clinic. Come on, make an attempt equals come on. Give it a try. Give it a try. Try is a noun. Here, we have 2 ways to use this one. She likes archery. Her is good. And a goal in life is also called an aim. Aim is a noun. Here, this is what I'm wearing now. I have 2 earphones, a microphone, and a wire all together. It's called a headset. Earphones and microphone together. The election will be soon. Remember, your vote counts. Means your vote is important. Vote is a noun here. The movie is called. This means the monster comes back. The return of the monster. Return is a noun here. We have 2 ways to use this one. That soccer team is in another, this is like another league. And he's good at math, but not, this is a part of math. Division. From the verb to divide. Division, noun. Please check your dictionaries and read the whole entry. After the game, many professional athletes have to talk to this means the media. Newspapers, magazines, reporters. The press. They have to talk to the press. This is a place where fish live, but it's not natural like the ocean or a lake. It could be a small one at home, or it could be a really big one in the park with whales and dolphins. Aquarium. See you next time.